Everybody, Jimmy with Weller's Utility Trailers, wanting to talk to you about this trailer here. This trailer is heavy duty. It's made by Winston Trailers. They only build equipment trailers, so they're not distracted with landscapers or tow dollies or dump trailers. They are all equipment trailers. They have the flip down ramps with a spring assist. Oak flooring. Oak flooring is very dense wood, so it's going to hold up over time with the heavy equipment. Heavy duty fenders. They even put a little scuff plate there so you can get some grip when you step in. This one will hold 11,500 pounds. Lots of stake pockets. The jack is the drop leg 12K. And then they do this little section for storage. They use the pintle hook. That is a dead giveaway that it's a heavy duty trailer. You only see pintle hooks on heavy trailers. And it's the flat pintle, heavy chains. This trailer is here for somebody. We also have it in a heavier version. Financing, rent to own. Come check out Wellers and Wellers.com.